Best foot forward ang mga top 20 finalists ng Sparkle Campus Curie Season 2. To guide them sa pasarela at ramp walking, nariyan ng Sparkle Mentors na nagbigay ng ilang tips. Makichika tayo kay Aubrey Carampel.
The search is on for the next Sparkle Campus Cutie. Mula sa daan-daang nag-audition sa buong bansa, napili na ang 20 finalists para sa Sparkle Campus Cutie Season 2. Ang new batch of 10 boys and 10 girls. With different personalities, handa na raw ipakita hindi lang ang kanilang good looks, pati na ang kanilang iba't ibang talent at skills. Sumailalim ang 20 campus cuties sa pasarela and ramp walking workshop. Ang girls binigyan ng ilang tips and exercises ni Sparkle Beauty Queen Gazini Ganados.
It kind of brought me back to my younger days, and I see myself in them, and it's so nice for me to be able to give them some inputs.
Ibinahagi naman ni Sparkle actor Anthony Constantino ang ilan sa kanyang experiences as a ramp model at tinuruan ng boys kung paano ma-boost ang kanilang self-confidence.
I really just hope that they learned a lot in regards to walking, in regards to confidence, in regards to just being comfortable within your own body, and really it was just super fun to be with them.
Marami raw natutunan ng aspiring young stars mula sa kanilang Sparkle mentors na for sure magagamit nila sa kanilang journey. Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happening.